What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on a 1998 Mercedes C280 Sport. It's a W202 model. First, what you'll need is some 0W40 oil. This is straight from Mercedes. This is what they recommend, 229.5 viscosity, I believe is what they call it. This is 1 liter. You will need 2, 4, 6, 7 liters to do the oil change. And this is the Mercedes OEM filter model, which you'll also need. They gave me a, I think this is for the drain plug, I'm guessing. So yeah, go to Mercedes, pick up your 7 liters of oil. They had it on special when I was there, and got the oil filter as well. I think it was roughly $60 for everything. So we'll start. First thing, you'll need to remove your oil pan catch tray. And to do this, you will need a 8mm ratchet. So there's 1, 2, and 3, 4 that you'll have to undo to get that cover off. So I will do that now, and I'll be right back. So once you have the oil pan drip tray removed, the oil plug is right here, and you'll require a 13mm socket to remove that drain plug. So while you're draining your last little bit of oil out of your oil pan, we're going to remove the oil filter, which is located right here. Remove the oil cap, filler cap right here. Easier way to remove the oil filter is just by removing this cover, and then you can use your pliers to tightly clamp around the oil filter cap. Just be careful not to crack it because it is plastic. So to remove this, it's on like pressure clips, and just lift it up straight up. Remove that, and now you are able to get your pliers right around this easily without damaging anything. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and I'll be right back. So I was about to install the new oil filter. I noticed that this one is blocked off at the back, and my original oil filter, you can see right through, because it needs to go right through the stick and then go to the top. So the clowns at Mercedes gave me the wrong friggin' oil filter, so do not get this one. So I just went and got a new one. It's from Lordco. This is MANN filter. That's the model number there. HU718. This is made in Germany. Looks like a really good quality one. Made in Germany and everything. So yeah, this was with my discount, and after taxes $14. So I'm pretty sure this one was right around the same price. So yeah, so I'm gonna install the new oil filter and wrap this oil change up. So this little diagram here, it shows you there's two markings on the filter about halfway down, and when you put the filter on this assembly here, you want these black lines, one of them to be completely up inside of here and not showing. If you look here, if the two lines, if you can see them, that's wrong. It still needs to go up further, so you want it like that, so only one line is showing. So there I have it, one line showing. If you look inside, that's where the second line is just inside a little bit. So you kind of got to twist the, just like the diagram here, kind of have to twist the filter to get it to slide up, because it's pretty tight on this stick thing here. So that's just a little tip. I don't know if the Mercedes filter never had any instructions like that or markings, so you wouldn't know. So when you're installing the filter, just make sure that it's all the way down here. Just twist the filter and you'll get it to feed right into the cap. So yeah, so new filter is installed. Time to replace the oil pan gasket, or drain plug gasket, I guess I should say. So out with the old and with the new. So I used all 7 liters of the fully synthetic motor oil, and she's perfectly full, just a little bit under the full mark. When I checked the dipstick, I cleaned it before I put it in, and can't really see it on camera, but yeah, took 7 liters, so I'll just make a note of that. And roughly cost me here in Canada about $70 to do it by myself. At the dealership, probably would cost anywhere around $100 to $150. Besides the screw up of being sold the wrong oil filter from Mercedes, it would probably only take you 20 minutes to do this. If you have better luck than me with a better parts person. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope I helped. And it's pretty easy. I'm sure you guys can do it yourself, and save you guys some extra bucks. Awesome. Well, thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.